Not sure how to use your Hisense AC Remote? Model number RCH-RSY2-0. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Hisense AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The HI button on the remote activates a high-performance mode, likely boosting the appliance's cooling or heating power. This allows the appliance to reach the desired temperature more quickly. Press the turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Want it cooler or warmer? Use the temperature plus and temperature minus buttons to adjust the room temperature just the way you like it. More chill or a bit of warmth. It's all in your control. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. The NDB button activates No Disturb mode, which turns off display lights and reduces operating noise. It helps create a quieter, darker environment, especially useful during sleep. The timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. The dimmer button lets you adjust the screen or light brightness, providing comfortable visibility and reducing eye strain. Pressing the Eco button activates energy-saving mode, where your AC balances cooling and power use. It adjusts fan speed and temperature settings automatically. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Hisense AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.